Bird sound, that cannot do anything.
Ma'am, others we can read it.
So open the video, everyone. Open the video, everyone. Open the video, children. Open the video. You all be in a mute position, okay? If I am muted, I cannot teach you. So you keep your side mute. If I am asking any question for that alone, you unmute yourself. So keep your video always on. First, Wind. Wind was a poem. It was written by Subramanya Bharati, a famous Tamil poet, and it is translated into English by A.K. Ramanujan. Got it, children? So, what do you know about wind? Is it a good one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is. Wind is a nice experience. Then, what else you can say about wind?
It is a boom, ma'am, because the wind blows the trees. The electric current will be cutted, ma'am.
Cutted. Cut.
Electric current will be
Sometimes, see children, there are different types of the wind. Normally, there are different types of wind. Am I right?
ma'am.
There are different. Slow wind is there, medium, strong wind is there, then heavy wind is there. Nowadays, they are giving different names for different winds also. Okay, different types of winds, they have given different names. So here we can see the two aspects of the wind. What are the two aspects? The small silent wind we can call it as a breeze.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
your voice is breaking.
Wait, anyone can say children?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
It's breaking a lot, ma'am.
Now it is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So wind, there are different types of wind. Small wind, we always like small wind only. What is the name of the small wind? We are calling it as breeze. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Breeze. Okay, we always like breeze only. If whether it is a big child or small, sorry, whether it is a child or a grown-up person, we always like a breeze only. Breeze. So next, here we can see the two aspects of wind. How it is a small wind, how its effects while it was a breeze, then what was the effects of it when it turns to a violent storm. So see, wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Wait, I will hide my video, maybe because of video. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See children, wind comes softly. So we can see the first part of the wind, how it came. It came very softly. How the first wind came? It came very softly. Wind came softly. Don't break the shutters of windows. The poet is telling, wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers without scattering the papers. What do you mean by scattering? Splitting it here and there. So that is what is known as scattering. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down books. Then how
Ma'am, you
never throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You throw them all down. So the poet is comparing. Poet is telling the wind to that. You can come softly. Who can come softly? Wind. Who is telling? Who is telling children?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bharatiya. So the poet is telling. The poet is telling that, my dear wind, you can come softly without breaking the shutters of the windows, without scattering the papers, without throwing down the books on the shelf. You can come as a breeze. It will be a nice experience. We will enjoy your presence while you are coming softly. Instead of that, what happened there? There. Anga pare, there. Look what you did. You see there what you did. You threw them all down. What he did? He threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. What you did? You throw the pages of my books. You brought rain again. You brought the rain again. Who is telling? The poet is telling. The poet is telling to the wind that. The poet is telling to the wind that, my dear wind, we like wind. But what kind of wind we like? We like breeze, nice wind. Wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You see, instead of all these things, what you did there, you yourself can see. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. What you did? You threw them all down. You throw the pages of the books. You throw the pages of my books. You brought the rain again. Then what you did? You brought the heavy rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Underline the word weaklings. Weaklings means weaklings. You are very, very cunning, or you are very, very intelligent. Why? Because you are playing game on weak people or weak things. Weak and fragile. Weak means fragile, not so strong. Such kind of things are known as weak. So you won't always play game on weak people or weak things. Those who are not strong. The thing that is not strong is known as weak. So you are always playing game on weak things. You are always play game on weak things. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail na weak. Crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling leaves, crumbling hearts. Underline the crumbling hearts. So the poet is telling that the wind is always clever at poking or fun at other things. With what kind of things he was ready to fun at? Weak things. Weak so he was always ready to fun at weak things. What are the weak things the poet is referring here? houses, doors, rafters, wood, even even bodies, leaves, and hearts. At first, he told about the inanimated thing. Then slowly he is moving to the animated things such as bodies, crumbling leaves, and even hearts. You are very playful with all these kinds of fragile things. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. And the poet is telling that the wind god, who is the name? What is the name of the wind god, children, in Tamil?
Vayudeva.
Vayu Deva. Very good, very good. Who said that?
Ma'am, Gatin.
Gatin. Okay. Give him a good clap, children. Clap எப்படி போடும் தெரியுமா? Applause code emoji ல. Very good, very good. Applause you sent. Say there were so many applause came, no? Likewise. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Enough, enough. Enough. Hey, who is sending heart in between? Heart no need. Applause only. Enough. So what happened? The poet is telling to us, Bharadiyar is telling to us, the god of wind, Vayudeva, winnows and crushes. What do you mean by winnowing? Winnowing, you know, children, usually the ladies, they are using...
Blowing. I'm blowing while the
separating for the wheat from the husk. Picture was given there. Wait, it will come or not. If you have the textbooks, let's see, the ladies are winnowing there. Did you see that one?
Yes.
Enlarge and see, children. Okay, enlarge and see that one. That is what is known as winnowing. Okay. So what the poet is telling? The poet is telling to us that the wind god Vayudeva is always winnowing and crushing. Crushing whom, children? Crushing the weak things. Always, always the Vayudeva is winnowing and crushing the weak things, especially the crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling leaves, and crumbling hearts. Who is playing with the game? All these things. Who is playing game with all these things?
Ma'am, Vayudeva.
Wind.
Wind or Vayudeva. Got it. So come, let us build strong homes. So up to that, the poet is telling about the wind. What the poet is first, poet was addressing wind. What poet told to wind? Oh wind, we like you. If you are blowing like a breeze, or if you are a soft wind, we accept or we like you. But instead of that, always you are showing your strong face to us. You are crushing the weak. You are crumbling the weak. You are winnowing the weak. So that is your real nature. Instead of all these things, you are bringing a rain also. So what he is telling, our homes are weak, our doors are weak, our rafters are weak. Rafters means roof. Our woods are weak, our bodies are weak, our lives are weak, and even our heart is also weak. So to defend all these things, what we can do? That next line, that we can see in the next line. So come, let us build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly, practice firm the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this and wind will be friends with us. Wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires, roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. See, what is the attitude of the poet? At first we saw the poet was scolding the wind. Next he is telling about his wind's attitude to us. Next, what we can think that the poet is to us or advising to us. What he is advising? So come, let us build strong homes. What we can do? Let us build strong homes.
Strong
നമുക്ക്
home.
നല്ല we can construct a strong homes. Our houses were weak, so the wind can easily destruct our house. To prevent that one, what we can do? We can construct or build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. So what we can do? We can join, we can fix the doors firmly. What do you mean by firmly? Firmly means strongly. Practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast. Always be very brave. Always be very brave in your body and mind. Not only brave in the mind, you should be brave in your body or strong by your body. Make heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. If we are strong enough to defend or face wind, what will happen? The wind will be the good friend of us. Am I right, children? Got it the idea? At first
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are weak. At first we are weak. Our houses were weak. Our heart was weak. So the wind to play nicely on us. So the poet is telling to us that hereafter you change your attitude and you become a very good defender. You become a very good defender. Make strong houses, make strong doors, make your body and mind strong to face the wind. That time what will happen? The wind will be ready to face us. He never defeat us. He will be friends with us. So wind யாரே மாறும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல enemy ஆயிருந்தவன் நம்ம வந்து நம்ம attitude change பண்ணும்போது he will be ready to friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. So weak fires, ஒரு fire வந்து ஒரு தீப்பொறி வந்து weak இருந்தா the wind வரும்போது என்ன பட்டும்? What will happen? The fire is weak, it will blow out. But if the fire is strong, and the wind, what he will make? He will make it to flourish, spread. He makes the strong fire to roar and flourish. His friendship is good. Whose friendship is good?
Ma'am, wind.
Wind.
His friendship is good. We praise him every day. So what we can do? We can praise him every day. So see children, the poet it is very meaningful poem. We can take it is in so many different level. So the poet at first is telling to us that wind is a very cruel person or a wind is a cruel one. He was always crushes and crunches the weak ones. So then afterwards the poet is telling us that we are not ready to crush by the wind. For that what we can do? We have to face the challenges. We have to ready to take the challenges in our life. Once the challenges we are facing, we will become more strong in mind and body. That time nobody can defeat us. Got it? That time nobody can
Yes,
defeat
ma'am.
us. We will be the successful person in our life. That will be happening in our British rule. At first we people have become very much afraid. We are very fragile. And then afterwards, what happened? Like the fragile things, what the poet is telling in this poem, we also become strong in our mind, strong with our mind and body, and we were ready to face the Britishers. We fought against them. Hmm? Very bravely. At last, who failed? The British people. They failed in front of India, and they left the India. Same meaning also we can take here. Okay, the poet is target because Subramanya Bharati poems always patriotic songs. It full of patriotic energy and it make the Indian people, not only Tamil Nadu people, the Indian people too. It filled patriotism in the veins of all the people, and they decided to fight against the Britishers with a steadfast mind. So at last we got our freedom. In that sense also we can take. Next we can take it as in the sense of old age and a young age, or we can take it as an old boy, young boy and a baby. At first the wind is very soft. That side we can see it as a child. Now he become grown up and he becomes strong. So he was ready to face the challenges of the life. So two types we can take. Then you can also include your own versions. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading, shall we reading practice. First you read silently, children. First you for 2 minutes you read silently. Any doubt you ask to me, then I will conduct reading practice. Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Read fast. Read in the mind. Finish reading.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Every has the text. We want to share the screen. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is ready to read, children?
Ma'am, Ashwin Balaji.
Shall
Ashwin
I,
Balaji.
ma'am? Shall I, ma'am?
Ashwin Balaji.
Questions read, ma'am.
Shall I, ma'am?
Ma'am, Ashwin Balaji can read, ma'am.
I will give the opportunity to everyone. Wait. I will give you the opportunity to everyone. Okay, first Amrita Delta read pa.
Yes, ma'am. Wind. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destructions. How can we make friends with it? Wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Then look what you did. They throw them all down. You tore the papers of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun of weakness. Frill crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling wrappers, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god Let's join the door firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the hearts steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Ma'am?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I read now, ma'am?
Shall I read now, ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I read, ma'am?
shall I read?
Ma'am, Ashwin Balaji can read, ma'am.
Ma'am, Kavinya
Ma'am,
is.
Sujant can read, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I read?
Ma'am, Kavinya
Ma'am,
is.
Sujant,
Read, ma'am.
Shivani can read, ma'am.
Ma'am, Kavinya is. Read, ma'am.
Can read, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Keep quiet, children. 1 minute. I have some network issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Kavinaya, read pa.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Shall I read, ma'am?
Ma'am, screen is not.
Ma'am, shall I read, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible, ma'am. Can wind comes softly. Don't break the shutter. Ma'am, again screen is not visible, ma'am.
Wait, pa. Wait 1 minute. It will come. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Wait. Already I minimize the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now
Okay.
screen is available, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I start
Ah,
reading? Wind comes
yes, read.
shutters of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. They look, what did you do? You throw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling laughters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling leaves, and crumbling hearts. Enough of worship them all. We won't
Hey, mute yourself, children.
strong house.
Who is making noise? Mute yourself.
Simply practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires and flourish. His friends is good. We praise him every day.
Thank you. Next one, who is ready? One boy says.
Ma'am, Ashwin Balaji.
Ashwin. Yes, Ashwin. Continue.
Ma'am, wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the window. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. They look what you did. You threw them all down. You throw the papers, pages of the book. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, clumbering rafters, clumbering wood, clumbering bodies, clumbering lives. clamoring hearts. The wind guards, winnows, and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's beat strong homes. Join the doors premises. Practice to brim the body. Make the heart steadfast. To do this, and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows outside us. He makes strong fire roar and storage. His friendship is good. We revive him every day.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Ajita
next.
Sri can read, ma'am.
Ma'am, Tale ma'am,
Ma'am,
Sucheta ma'am.
Ajita Sri. Wait, I will give the opportunity to everyone. Ajita, read, Ajita.
Ma'am, Ajita Sri can start reading, ma'am.
Yes.